We have learnt about the angles and its types. Today's point is the pairs of angles. This is the ray BA. If you observe here, the ray BA and the ray BC have the common origin point, that is B, and these two rays are exactly in opposite directions and they forms a straight angle or a straight line. Here in this figure, the ray BA and the ray BC have the common origin point, but these two rays are not exactly opposite to each other. So when the two rays have the common origin point and they have the opposite directions and they forms a single straight line, that time that two rays are said to be as the opposite rays and they forms the straight angle. Understood? From this figure we have to write the name of the opposite rays. Here from this figure, PT and PN have the common origin point P and they have the opposite directions. So this is the pair of opposite rays. Same way PL and the PM have the opposite directions and the common origin point P. So this is the another pair of opposite ray. When two lines intersect to each other, that time four angles are formed here. Means the angle LPT, TPM, MPN, NPL. These four opposite rays or two lines intersect each other. That time four angles are formed and these four angles are called as the vertically opposite angles. Here vertically opposite means not up and down only. This LPT and the NPM are vertically opposite. Another pair is LPN and TPM are vertically opposite angles. And its property is the measure of the vertically opposite angles is equal or they are congruent. Next is the angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair means the angles, two angles which have the common vertex, common arm and uncommon arm should be in opposite directions. These three conditions are very important. These two angles, angle PQR and the angle RQS, has the common vertex. They have the common arm QR and these uncommon arm means QS and the QP are in opposite directions. So these two angles, these pair of angle is called as the angles in a linear pair. And as these opposite rays forms a straight angle, the measure of this linear pair is 180 degree. Means if we do the sum of these two angles, we will get always 180 degree. Understood it?